Hi guys, welcome to our channel Hyderabad Foodbox. आज हम आए हैं KPHB कॉलोनी to taste one of the best Andhra cuisines like veg. Yes, veg restaurants. आपके बहुत सारी रिक्वेस्ट आए थे कि अभी non-veg बस, let's try the veg. So today we are at Subayyagari Hotel, which is like quite famous for the vegetarian cuisine. So it has a 70 plus years of the history with this restaurant. So basically started back in 1950 guys, and it's started in Kakinada, a place in Andhra Pradesh. So I'm very excited to taste the Andhra cuisine, which is like it has like 30 plus of varieties. Just imagine for 250 you'll get unlimited food with 30 plus of varieties. So I'm very excited. So let's go inside. चलो अंदर चलते हैं, देखेंगे क्या क्या varieties है, खाना कैसा है and how the taste is. And I'll share the link of this like location in the description. Let's go. Guys, so finally we are inside the Subayyagari Hotel. And जैसे मैं बता रहा था 250 रुपीज़ का मैंने मील्स ऑर्डर किया है, which is like unlimited. And यहाँ पे 30 varieties of veg items मिलेंगे तुम्हें. 30 varieties, बस खाते रहो खाते रहो खाते रहो. So अभी देखेंगे. I've just ordered for the 250 meals. Let's see how it is going to look like. And the good thing about this meals is they're going to serve in the banana leaf. Banana leaf mein they'll serve it so that you can have that natural like vibes of eating the food. So I'm really excited. So let's wait for the food to arrive and uske baad fir khayenge daba ke.
So what the fuck am I fighting for? What all those rumors to? Or were you trying to get a rise out?
For our lunch, this is going to be our plate, guys. Look at the banana that we have, like banana leaf. Woo! Excited. Dahi vada. Okay, so this is dahi vada, guys. Sweet side, okay. Chakkar pongali. In the milk Mysore pak. Okay. Okay, so okay. So this is the signature dish of them. Pesar pungalu. Punukulu. I'm sorry. This is onkai curry or brinjal curry, and this is the cabbage fry. Gongura papu. बस count करते रहो guys. Like look at this, how many varieties will be here. Chamagada curry. Okay. Again, this is gobi curry. This is Bendi fry. Pulihora. Okay. The rice part now. Veg biryani. Veg fried rice. Rice. Okay. Oh, now we have the papad. Still coming, guys. और आते रहे. इन चटनी नहीं?
रोड चटनी रोड में रहता है.
Okay, road chutney. Okay, this is a natural form of the chutneys that they do.
बीरकाई चटनी.
Birakai chutney. Okay. And this is not made in a mixie. This is done in a traditional way of this, like Okay, this is mirchi chutney. Okay, now I'm going to dig into it. Like I cannot tell you how happy I am looking at this feast. So I'm going to start with the rice thing. So I'm going to start with the pulhora. Subayyagari pulhora. The way you imagine a lemon rice to be, this is how it is. It's very like tangy flavor, like all because of the lot of lemon that we went into it. Good flavors. Now the second part of our like rice. This is veg biryani. So let me try with this, like this cabbage fry with this veg biryani. Basically, Subayyagari Hotel was started back in 1955, guys. So it's a Kakinada, a place in Andhra Pradesh, and the first branch in Hyderabad was started back in 2018, and they have like 4 branches in Hyderabad. The first is a KPHB, the place where we are eating, and the other one is Amirpet, the one is Kondapur, and the other one is Malakpet. So they have 4 branches. It's a very big organization, guys. Trust me. Just imagine 1950 से लोग खाना बनाते आ रहे हैं. So you could imagine where they started and where they are now. And they basically started with the 50 paisa. This is the interesting fact of the Subbaiya Hotel. They started with the 50 paisa of a plate of a meal, and now they were started with the 10 employees. Now in Hyderabad, in a KPHB, they have 130 employees. Just imagine where did they go. And they also have for the dining, this is a place, but for the parcel, they have a other section also, which is like walkable distance from the main hotel, and they have only the parcel section there. So it's like amazing place. If you have 250 in your pockets and if you want to have the veg meals like this, then this is a place to come, enjoy the feast. 30 varieties of the different veg items. You would love it. So let me finish this, and now I'm going to have this veg fried rice, which looks very good as I tasted first bite, the second bite.
So let me know if you game over. I need 10 more minutes, 10 more minutes with you. 10 more minutes, 10 more minutes.
So now we have digged into the white rice. A nice sweet smell is there, huh? Oh, so guys, I was imagining that the sweets are like one-time servers, but they give you unlimited sweet also. So guys, they have a different concept of like making the customer eat. So अभी ये कंदी पोड़ी है, which is like the pulses से बनाया गया है, and the rice, and this is the ghee. Okay, now he is asking us to mix the dal with this, which I'm going to take the half portion of the dal. So that these 3 things goes. Bah, the aura, the khushbu jo aa rahi hai na, bah. Look at how thick it is. First bite. Very thick, very different flavors, and the ghee is like adding the flavors to the next level, guys. Guys, if you're ordering online, I would request you to go for the Butta Bhojanam. This is like made in the pack of a traditional way of like packing a food, and for 350 it would be sufficient for the 3 people. 3 people can have a good stomach full of rice for 350 with good amount of varieties, guys. So try out the Butta Bhojanam. So as you can see in this video, you would be able to see how the packing of the Butta Bhojanam will be done. You'd love this, trust me. And this is like curry leaf powder. This is gongura pachadi. अरे भाई नहीं नहीं, मतलब घी तो हर उसमें लग रहा है इनका यहाँ पे तो. वो जो गन पाउडर के साथ था, that was next level. I don't know how this is going to taste like. Oh, thank you, Anu. Sweet pan. Okay. So this is the buttermilk, and this is the sweet pan. So now this is the end part of the Subbaiya Hotel of 250 meals, guys. So I cannot tell you how worth it is coming here. I like everyone. So I will finish this as soon as once the end of the video happens. So बस आज के वीडियो के लिए इतना ही. I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, please give a big thumbs up and show us love by subscribing to our channel Hyderabad Football. And thank you so much, guys. We'll see you in the next vlog. Until then, peace out.